Today I'm here to pick up my new tires. So on the left we have Apollo Amazer XP and on the right we have Amazer 3G Life. The tire size is 175/65 R14 for Ford Figo, and currently I have planned to purchase Amazer XP. It has quite good life and also helps to increase fuel efficiency. So here I have purchased two tires for the front. Tire changing in process. This is the alignment bay. Here the car is being ready for the alignment. Here the scanners are being placed for the wheel alignment, the front and back. Scanners are being placed. Completed all side. Now we will start the alignment process. So this is the toe, which is off by 30 degrees. Now we will set it. This will take time to adjust. So this is what after the alignment is done. So usually they are caster, camber and toe in a car. Caster, camber and toe alignment are critical for a vehicle's handling and tire wear. Caster affects steering stability, camber influences tire wear and cornering performance, and toe impacts tire wear and straight line tracking. Proper alignment ensures the vehicle tracks straight, minimizes tire wear, and maximizes fuel efficiency. Importance of alignment. Improper alignment can lead to uneven tire wear, pulling on one side, and reduced fuel efficiency. Regular wheel alignment checks are recommended to ensure your vehicle is performing at its best. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay tuned.